welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Oliver.
My name's Ben.
And today we'll be unboxing some LCD writing boards. Let's get to this.
Okay, so I've been sent these LCD writing boards to unbox and do an honest review of. So the guys they've got one each. They come in pink and blue. We'll put the description to the products in the description. We'll put the link of the product in the description of this video. Go on, Matilda, what are you saying?
I've got pink, Oliver's got blue.
Matilda's got a pink one, Oliver's got a blue one. I think it marks it on the box, it tells you what colour is on the box. There's a little tick on it there, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to unbox them, have a look at them, and then get using them. So guys, open up the writing boards.
Can't wait, I've been waiting for this for ages.
What, can you write in single colour as well?
Oh my. Oh my. Oh, it's a bit dirty.
Don't worry about that. Okay, so just a couple of things before we get into them. It does say on the back here, due to stress during transportation, some traces may appear on the screen when using it for the first time, which is them, it does. You just got to press the erase button to get rid of it. Don't do that, don't do that. So the erase button is there, but what we need to do, I think we need to find the battery, get them on, and we can rub it out. So let's do that now. Okay, so it says on the front here, perfect for all ages. Matilda's 7, Oliver's 10. It's a cat, it's a bit...
Can.
It'll be fine though, won't it, Oliver, for now? Oliver likes cats. So it's user friendly, you can lock the content on it, it's drop resistant, and it develops intelligence, which is good for you, Oliver. Yeah? So what do you think we better use these for, guys? What do you think?
Maths.
Maths, so we're like doing...
Homework!
Homework, yeah, doing little notes on the side. Play tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use it for doing notes, and all if you need to write something down, so you don't have to use paper. Drawing.
That's good.
Yeah, if you're in the car, you want to play a game with it, you can do tic-tac-toe, maybe different games on it together. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll put the battery in. So we've got the battery that does come with it, which is really good. We'll put the battery in and then we'll see what it's like. Okay, we're all done there. We did an unboxing, a quick look at them, set them up. Oliver spotted in the instructions you have to take the old battery out and put the new battery in, which we did. You need a super small screwdriver or the end of like a sharp knife just to undo that screw because it's really, really small. But really easy to do, really easy to set up, and they work really well. The guys have used them. Quick game of tic-tac-toe. So I think we'll use them quite a bit, won't we? Yeah?
Can I show mine?
Go, yeah, sure, yeah, let's go for it, yeah. Go on then. Very good,
That's what I'm doing at the moment.
That's what it's doing at the moment.
I'm trying to colour it all, and Oliver's done more than me.
Yeah.
Much more.
Okay, so as I say, these are on Amazon, and they're about £13 per writing board. And there is a voucher at the moment off for 20%, so they do offers on, so they go up and down in price. So yeah, that's everything really. Anything else to mention, guys?
No, they're just really, really good.
They're alright, aren't they? Yeah.
And the pens can also hang on to your teeth.
Has it got a clip on it? It does come with this, which I think is so you can tie the pen to it. Yeah.
I think that always that little hole there.
The pen goes on.
Oh, the pen. Sorry, the pen does go on the side. Yeah.
No, look, there's something here. Though.
There is a hole in there. Maybe it's to put that through to be able to carry it around with. I'm not sure. But they're really good, really versatile. The lock on the back does work. That's fine. So yeah, that's all good.
Yep.
Okay, thanks everyone for watching this video.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.